The tradition of wearing the wedding ring on the left-hand ring finger, not the middle finger, has a rich history that spans several cultures and centuries. Here's a detailed explanation. Historical and cultural background. Ancient Egyptians. The tradition is believed to have originated with the ancient Egyptians, who saw the circle as a symbol of eternity. They wore rings made of braided hemp or reeds to signify eternal love and commitment. The Romans adopted this tradition and believed that the fourth finger of the left hand contained a vein known as the vena amoris, or vein of love, which they thought ran directly to the heart. This romantic notion reinforced the practice of wearing the wedding ring on that finger. Christianity. Early Christian ceremonies included the placement of the ring on the left-hand ring finger during the wedding ritual. The priest would bless the ring and place it on the fourth finger while reciting, "In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit." Symbolism and practicality. Symbolism. The left hand is often associated with the heart in many cultures. Wearing the ring on the left-hand ring finger symbolizes the emotional and romantic connection of marriage. Practicality. For right-handed individuals, who constitute the majority of the population, wearing the ring on the left hand is practical, as it is less likely to interfere with daily activities and less prone to damage. Modern perspectives. Cultural variations. While the left-hand ring finger is standard in many Western countries, some cultures prefer the right hand. For example, in some Eastern European, Scandinavian, and Orthodox Christian traditions, the wedding ring is worn on the right-hand ring finger. Personal choice. In contemporary times, the choice of which finger to wear the wedding ring on can be influenced by personal preferences, cultural background, and individual significance. Conclusion. The tradition of wearing the wedding ring on the left-hand ring finger is deeply rooted in history, symbolism, and practical considerations. It serves as a universal symbol of love and commitment, bridging cultural differences and personal preferences.